everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you a natural skincare face mask recipe, and I actually got it from the book Wild Beauty. My sister gave it to me for my birthday. It is full of all different natural skincare recipes, and I thought I would make the cocoa spice face mask. This face mask is full of antioxidant rich ingredients. It helps to detoxify the skin and draw out any impurities, and it will make your skin looking nice, fresh and clear in no time. So now for the fun part. I don't know how I'm gonna go putting this on my face through the camera mirror, but here we go. So I've just got the mix here, and I've got a little brush, and I'm just gonna paste it all over my face. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's actually quite cold, but it feels really nice and soft. So I'm just going to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with some lukewarm water. So that was the cocoa spice face mask recipe. It actually makes quite a bit, so you could even make it up as a gift for someone, which I think someone would actually really like. This was just a nice quick short video, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know below if you like this video, and if you want any more natural skincare recipes. I've got so many up my sleeve that I can show you and make. So let me know, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.